This is Jersey Mike's Arena, home of the Rutgers Scarlet Knights basketball team. Previously known as the RAC, this arena has been their home since 1977 and has seen quite an incredible amount of excitement.
3 seconds, no timeouts. Harper for the win.
Over the last couple of decades, Rutgers has struggled on the basketball court, but in recent years, Jersey Mike's Arena has become a very difficult place to play for teams coming in.
I would say the unfriendliness of the crowd is just really, that Rutgers crowd every time that an opposing team steps in the arena really makes it an uncomfortable environment. And I think and it's been said, the acoustics of that place, just the way it's shaped, truly creates, just like I said, an uncomfortable environment. And you hear time and time again from these opposing teams that it's one of the worst places to play in the Big Ten.
This atmosphere is one of the many things that differentiates Rutgers basketball from other programs. Another part of the program that puts the Scarlet Knights in a league of their own is the new culture amongst the team.
I would say the grittiness, like Steve and his staff pride themselves on their effort and their approach defensively is just like unparalleled. I feel like if you look at even last year's team, they weren't super successful, but on the defensive end, they were tremendous, right? So I think that a Rutgers team, and when you go to a game, you're going to see them just truly give a ton of effort on both sides of the floor, which I think leads to the fans just being so passionate.
Even with last year's down year, the future of Rutgers basketball looks bright with new recruits and transfers coming in. The most recent being Tyson Acuff, a transfer from Eastern Michigan who was 8th in the nation in points per game this past season. He joins Dylan Harper, Ace Bailey, and others who will take the court for the Scarlet Knights next season. The expectations are definitely high, as these two are two of the top 3 recruits in the nation for this upcoming 2024 high school class.
It's the class that's coming in next year is a huge selling point. You know, obviously Dylan and Ace are the talk of the town. Then also they have a ton of other pieces that are highly regarded. So yeah, that's like really there's a lot of buzz in the air just about next season. I think, yeah, man. I mean, next year is going to be crazy. It's going to be wild.